Did you know ginger has been used for over 5,000 years in traditional medicine? Ginger tea has been a staple in many cultures for centuries, and its popularity has only grown with time. We all know someone who's constantly struggling with some sort of health issue, whether it's constant bloating, low energy, or perpetual fatigue. These common complaints can be debilitating, and it's easy to feel like there's no escape from the cycle of discomfort. We've all been there, tossing and turning at night, unable to shake off the exhaustion weighing us down. Many of us rely on over-the-counter medications to alleviate our symptoms, but these quick fixes often come with nasty side effects and can even worsen our conditions in the long run. Nature has provided abundant natural wonders to help us regain vitality and thrive. One of these wonders is ginger tea, a simple yet potent elixir used for centuries to soothe and heal the body. This video explores the incredible 8 benefits of ginger tea and just how much it can revolutionize your life. Discover how this spicy brew can boost your immunity, soothe your digestion, and much more. Before we start, please share with us in the comment where you are watching from. In this video, you will discover something about ginger tea that has yet to be widely known. So sit back and relax to find out. Let's dive into the benefits of ginger tea. First, ginger tea is an immunity booster. Feeling a tickle in your throat? Reach for ginger tea. This spicy wonder contains antioxidants that combat free radicals and protect your cells from damage. These compounds, along with its anti-inflammatory properties, make ginger tea a powerful way to help your body fight off colds and flu. The active compounds in ginger have been studied for their antiviral and antibacterial effects. A squeeze of lemon in your ginger tea provides an extra dose of vitamin C, further enhancing its immune-boosting power. Second, ginger aids in digestion. Are you struggling with nausea, indigestion, or bloating? Ginger tea can provide soothing relief. It works by stimulating the production of digestive juices and helping food move efficiently through your system, reducing discomfort and promoting gut health. Ginger is particularly helpful in reducing nausea associated with pregnancy, motion sickness, and chemotherapy. Third, inflammation tamer and pain reliever. Dealing with aches and pains? Ginger to the rescue. This natural anti-inflammatory can help reduce pain and swelling associated with arthritis and muscle soreness. The active compounds in ginger inhibit the production of molecules contributing to pain and inflammation. Studies have shown ginger helps reduce pain and stiffness in people with arthritis. For muscle soreness, try soaking in a warm bath with ginger essential oil or applying a ginger compress to the affected area. Fourth, weight loss wonder. Looking to shed a few pounds? Ginger tea might be your new secret weapon. It can boost metabolism, increase fat burning, and even help control your appetite. Ginger tea can support your weight loss journey and help you achieve your goals by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing cravings. Combine ginger tea with a healthy diet and regular exercise to maximize its weight loss benefits. Fifth, mental health mood booster. Ginger tea's calming properties help to ease anxiety and promote relaxation. The aroma of ginger has been shown to have a calming effect on the nervous system, and its beneficial compounds may influence brain chemicals that regulate mood. Sipping on a warm cup of ginger tea can be a soothing ritual that helps you unwind after a long day and improves your overall mental well-being. Add a teaspoon of honey to your ginger tea for an extra calming effect. Sixth, menstrual cycle soother. For women experiencing menstrual cramps, ginger tea can offer natural relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help ease pain and discomfort, making those days of the month a little more bearable. Seventh, brain power booster. Some studies suggest that ginger may improve cognitive function and memory. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects could protect the brain from age-related decline and enhance cognitive performance, potentially reducing the risk of dementia and memory loss. Eighth, suitable for the heart. Emerging research suggests ginger may support cardiovascular health. It may help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clots. While more research is needed, adding ginger tea to your routine could be a delicious way to give your heart some love. Incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine can be a game changer for your health. Imagine sipping on a warm, comforting cup every morning or evening, knowing you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. It's a simple yet powerful way to take control of your health, and it can make all the difference in the world. I hope this video has empowered you on the benefits of ginger tea. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've had experiences with ginger tea, we'd love to hear about them in the comment below. Have you noticed any benefits or improvements in your health since incorporating it into your routine? We'd love to know. If you want to learn more about health-related topics, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.